मई जून 23 पेपर 2 1 केस स्टडी 2 उसका आंसर देखते हैं. आइडेंटिफाई वन एलिमेंट ऑफ द ट्रिपल बॉटम लाइन. एनवायरमेंटल, बिल्कुल सही, 1 out of 1. एक्सप्लेन द टर्म एडेड वैल्यू. एडेड वैल्यू इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द कॉस्ट ऑफ परचेजिंग bought in the input and the supplying the price of the finished goods. DC would be able to increase the value added by processing raw cocoa beans into cocoa butter, for which higher price can be charged due to its being premium product. 3 out of 3. Okay जी, calculation 4.2 labor productivity is good, and this was a difficult question, लेकिन आपने बिल्कुल सही सही से कर लिया. 3 out of 3. Explain one reason why labor productivity is important to DC. Labor productivity is defined as the average output per week in a given time period. Labor productivity is important to keep the cost of producing raw cocoa uh, beans low. A low cost can help increase added value, which would increase revenue and maximum profit to be able to invest in the factory which will प्रोड्यूस कोकोआ बटर. ठीक है, कोकोआ बटर कोई बार बार करके हमने एप्लीकेशन कर दी है, बहुत मार्क्स तो शायद पूरे मिल जाएं, बट बहुत अच्छी एप्लीकेशन ये नहीं थी. तो 3 out of 3. Analyze two ways DC can motivate young people to work on its farms. Motivation is the internal and external factor that stimulate the desire in a worker to continuously interested and continuously and committed to doing the job. Since the managing director has identified that the reason young people do not want to work in DC is because of the lack of investment training. I think that instead of investing into new factory, DC should focus on providing training programs for new good start. ठीक है. Zara should introduce on-the-job training, good show of knowledge, Shabash, which takes the new farmers through the process of planting cocoa seeds up to the point of roasting them and making to the condition able to sell it. बिल्कुल सही है. Farmer would be more interested and motivated to do a job that they are confident in, which helps to increase the labor productivity. Very good analysis. Since the farmer, this is a simple and clear analysis. ये मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप करें. Since the farmer would be able to produce more than 2100 tons of raw cocoa beans, they can use the profit to invest the factory. However, it's important to note that providing training programs, interest cost, increases cost, which will reduce the profit of or even incur the loss. ये आपने however क्यों लिखा है? Analyze two ways. Okay, okay, सही है. तो sorry, it was disconnected for a while. तो we were reading here जहाँ पे हम पढ़ रहे थे कि they can purchase. Furthermore, farmers can also complain that the most work is manual, which causes fatigue and sickness in the workforce, which ultimately increases the sick day leaves and reduces output. DC should invest in new machinery. ये जो sick day leaves और ये जो complain है, ये good show of application है. DC should invest in new machinery and adopt modern farming methods to make work more interesting and have a healthy workforce. They can purchase a machinery that digs up the plants and cocoa seeds, which help reduce time and increase output per worker. The workers would also be more motivated by learning new methods of farming that involve technology, which make work more fun and reduce labor turnover. It's perfect. However, some farmers would need to be made redundant and replaced by machinery, which may not be the change workers wanted, and they might protest against it. So yeah, this is a good question. You will score 8 out of 8 in that. No problem with that question. Evaluate whether DC should grow its operations by opening its cocoa processing factory. No, ये इसमें एक ही बात उसने पूछी है, पिछली केस स्टडी की तरह नहीं है ये, कि उसको अपने ऑपरेशंस बढ़ाने चाहिए बाय ओपनिंग न्यू कोकोआ प्रोसेसिंग फैक्ट्री. A capital intensive factory would use more machinery input as compared to the labor. This would increase the efficiency of DC and increase the labor productivity, which can help produce more than 2000 tons of cocoa beans. Investing in new factory would reduce the cost per unit, and DC farmers sell cocoa butter on at high prices and increase added value because of the low cost. Okay. Zara would also be able to recruit young and active farmers since one of their concerns was the most use of the work is manual. So they can be employed in a factory, which would increase the motivation, increase revenue from the new cocoa butter, would help increase retained earnings so that they invest in the worker training and pay the owners of DC. Good analysis. However, it's important to note that although the DC is profitable, they do not have any retained earnings or to finance the initial investment of 265,000. They may need to take a long-term loan to finance this investment, which would increase their debts and also expenses because they would need to pay the amount of interest. The profit would be reduced in the short term, mm, which affect the motivation of the young farmers who want more control of their earnings. भी ये बहुत अच्छी बात है कि आप दरमियान में छोड़ती नहीं है चांस के जहां एप्लीकेशन हो सके. तो young farmers वाली बात was too good. They should also carry out market research to find out whether the demand of cocoa butter would rise in the future to pay back its investment because the demand falls in the future. It's not worth for cocoa to grow operations. Okay, do you have run two evaluations here? I would suggest कि यहाँ पे जहाँ पे आपने लिखा है कि they should also carry out market research, ये आपको अगले पैराग्राफ में लिखना चाहिए. Child, the problem is we do not have any headings, pointers या कुछ भी ऐसा. हमें अपनी बातों को बताना है कि अगली बात कहाँ से शुरू हुई और कहाँ वी हैव एंडेड द समथिंग, हमें पैराग्राफिंग ही करनी पड़ती है. इन अगेन यहाँ पे एक एनालिसिस मिसिंग है. अभी जो हमने पढ़ा आपने एक ही एनालिसिस किया, पहले वाला इवैल्यूएशंस दो हैं, थैंक यू फॉर दैट. In conclusion, decision on whether they should purchase a new factory depends on many factors. First of all, the it's pollution that will be created as a result of operating factory in line with the government guidance, because if it is forecasted to be more, they have to pay penalty and even close down its operation. बिल्कुल good. अच्छा आपने ये point सोचा. This would be a unfavorable situation for DC to be in, and they should hire a factory. This would also conflict their main objectives of triple bottom line, and consumers may not prefer their cocoa beans if they move away from the objective of protecting the environment. Again, very good. Another evaluation, Shabash. However, other business may not have cocoa butter and they can introduce new product in the market which would increase customer awareness and they would be willing to buy it. यहाँ पे होना चाहिए by opening new factory वो ये कर सकते हैं. So this would have been better. I think that they should not invest in new factory because the cost is high and there would be contradicting to their own objectives of being environmentally friendly. बिल्कुल सही, आखिर में भी आपने application कर दी. I'll deduct only 2 marks of yours in this. I'll give you 10 out of 12 in this question. बाकी पेपर तो खैर आपने इसके मार्क्स अपने टोटल कर ही लिए होंगे. भी देखते हैं कि आपके टोटल कितने मार्क्स आए.